speaking of fictional stories, let's move on to two grown-ass men wearing costumes representing their separate fictional works of literature. You have a Spider-Man and a grown adult man in a Spider-Man outfit costume meeting with and greeting Pope Francis. Is that his name? Pope Francis, the lead pedophile, the guy in charge whose business pays no taxes and protects pedophiles. It's an insane thing to see a comic book character shake the hand of a cult leader. You know, both wearing ridiculous outfits. And I don't know. They both have extremist followers. Both comic book people and not all of them. Same thing with religious people. Not all religious people are extremists, but for sure there's a ton of extremists, Catholics and Christians. But yeah, just complete nonsense. This video is just complete nonsense. It's ridiculous. Like, this is how you know there's a lot of people on this planet when things happen like this. It's just like there's too many things are happening. Of course crazy things like this are going to happen. It's just ridiculous.